In this video, we are going to look at the filters in Google Data Studio. Filters do as what the name suggests. They help users filter the important data from large data sets. Now the filters can be applied on three different levels. You can apply it on a particular chart or table, or you can apply it on one or more pages, or you can apply it throughout your entire report. Let's see how to add filters to a chart first. Select the chart. Under Setup, go to Filters and click Add Filters. If you have created filters already, they will show up here and you can select the ones you have created. Or to create a new filter, click Create Filter. Now it gives you the option to include or exclude the fields, then to select the fields, and then according to the type of your selected fields, it gives you different conditions to apply. Let's see through an example. Let's apply the filter to get the countries whose names start with A. Click on Include, then select Country. Condition will be starts with and A. Now you can see the changes applied to the chart. If you want to apply the same filter to the table, select the table, go to Filters, and from here you can select the filter we just created. Say we want to filter the countries whose names start with A and has a population greater than 10 million. You can create a new filter for this, or you can edit the previous one. Go to Resources. Here you will see the option of Manage Filters. Select the filter you want to edit and click Edit. You can club one or more conditions using this AND or option. Click Include. Field will be population greater than or equal to 10 million. And you can see the filter is applied both on chart and table. To add filters to your page, go to Page menu and go to Current Page Settings and click Add a Filter. Similarly, to add filters to your report, come to File, go to Report Settings and click Add a Filter. The procedure of adding filters is the same. You can choose from the ones you have already created, or you can create a new one. So that's all for this video. I hope you learned something from the tutorial. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video and thank you for watching.